Little did I know, as I walked down this trail with Deb 48 years ago, that I would be cruising Still the One, my Sundancer 380, down the Tennessee River, south on the Tombigbee known as the Tin Tom, and southeast across the Gulf of Mexico to Tampa Bay. My desire is to document this trip, to share with my family, because they are still the one to me. And if you'd like to come along on my journey as well, I hope you will enjoy. All right, we're just leaving Saunders Marina and Yacht Yard, and the bottom paint is done. The steering shaft has been replaced, and now we're heading to Destin. Follow these guys. There's something not right with the steering still, I don't think.
Does it feel different?
Yeah, it definitely feels different, but I didn't use it a whole lot, so.
So you think it'll be alright to get to Tampa and then?
I may get it looked at before then, but I'll do some, get some advice first. And get out to the Gulf really quick.
Are you going to the Gulf now?
No, I'm going to do the intercoastal.
Do you like being out here again in the water?
Oh yeah.
I mean, in this part of the water?
Oh yeah. So this isn't new territory yet. I came around this point right here, come in here. So once I go out here, it's all new territory.
It's a little breezy today. Is it choppy?
Yeah, it's a little breezy, but once we get in past this bay,
Yeah, it'll be okay.
it gets tighter and then it'll be calmer. Wherever I can pick the pace up and go, I'm going to do it.
Fine.
Just to kind of make up some time. I
Yeah.
want to get over there in time to enjoy that area before we call it a night, you know? use that water? Great. We're going to give her a wash off. And those buoys I'm going to throw in the trash. They got holes in them.
Okay, you want me to go away for you?
If you don't mind.
I got you.
So how you feeling out there? Everybody all right? Yeah, we have to pass a little time because he's got a tune-up and he sounds terrible. Just kidding, just
That
kidding.
has nothing to do with the tuning. It's just me. You know, it's up to her, man. We like squinting.
Smell seafood.
What's that?
Smell seafood.
I don't see any. And yeah.
Boats with french fries and something in it.
Uh-huh.
What about the cocktail?
I definitely could do some shrimp.
Here, Dom.
Check out that boat. Whose boat is it?
Tennessee whiskey.
Yeah, there. You want to get a picture of it? Get it with the Buccaneer behind it. Here we go. Seafood pot pie.
Yeah, praise the Lord. Absolutely.
Caramel apple.
You got it.
Good eating.
$8. Here's where all the seafood is.
Unlike restaurants. They never say. 66 nights.
All right, what do we got here?
Lion. Oh, we got a lot here.
A lot here.
Looks like the county fair.
Alligator.
Scallops. Got it. Fish basket. Seafood gumbo. Scallops. We got going in there. Toast.
Yeah, yeah.
You want to keep going?
Yeah, I'll see what they got down here.
Ice cream.
Yeah,
No ice cream.
it is Saturday night.
I know.
We can twist and shout.
Have to do a Saturday night.
Twist Saturday night, twist and shout.
Yeah. No.
Got a little everything there. I'm not seeing too much seafood. Yeah. Here we go.
American girls, American guys will always stand up and salute. We'll always recognize and we'll seal our flag as alive and dead, so we can sleep in peace of mind. My daddy served in the army, but he lost his right. We blew a flag out in our yard to the beat of anxiety. my sister and me to live along with me. I might have sorrows, but I've been somewhere blind, somewhere sweet and safe.
Hey, thank you. Thank you. Go ahead, I'll serve you. So dinner tonight. So we get a treat of watching some fireworks.